Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up emergency source features on your smartphone. So first step is open up your settings and then come to the search bar and then search for emergency source. So emergency source is over here and this is how my emergency source looks like. As you can see, for the instructions of my emergency source, it says if I'm in trouble, I just have to tap on my power button 5 times so that an emergency call may be made. Alright, so another thing guys is that you have to add emergency contacts. So you come to emergency contacts here and then tap on add. So once you tap on add, you choose the contacts you want to add as an emergency contact. So for my case, I'll add this contact as an emergency contact and then I'll tap on OK. So after doing that over here, I'll allow emergency source to access my messages and then boom, you're good to go. So that's basically how emergency source works. You can also auto emergency source call over here by turning this on and also turning this one on to allow it to send messages to anyone. In case you're in trouble, someone is hijacking you, just use the emergency source to make the phone call directly to the person so that they can help you. And point to note is that the emergency source comes with a message that you can type yourself and then send them. Okay, so guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet